Welcome to Daring Marina YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing about supercharging or pressure charging and their methods. So let's move on to topic. Supercharging. It is an air compressor that increases pressure or density of air. Supercharger. It is an air compressor that increases pressure or density of air supplied to the internal combustion engine. Okay. In every IC engine, combustion and power depend on amount of fuel and air supplied. Okay. In every IC engine, combustion and power depend upon amount of fuel and air supplied. Since proper combustion required a stoichiometric air-fuel ratio of 14:1. We also know that for a proper combustion, stoichiometric air-fuel ratio of 14:1 is required. Therefore, amount of fuel burned depend upon air supply. Therefore, amount of fuel burned depend upon air supply. If we increase the mass of air, that is density and pressure, we can use more fuel for burning. If we increase the density and pressure, we can use more fuel for burning. More fuel means more power. We can make more power without changing size of engine. So that is what we are doing supercharging. Supercharger is an air compressor that increases the pressure or density of air supplied to the internal combustion engine. Every AC engine, combustion and power depend upon fuel and air supply. They have a stoichiometric air-fuel ratio of 14:1. Then amount of fuel burned depends upon air supplied. If we increase mass of air, that is density and pressure, we can use more fuel for burning. More fuel means more power. So we can make more power without changing size of engine. In two-stroke marine engine, in order to achieve correct combustion, good scavenging and efficient cooling, thrice amount of ideal combustion air is supplied. This is called excess air for proper combustion. In a two-stroke marine engine, in order to achieve correct combustion, good scavenging and efficient cooling, thrice amount of ideal combustion air quality is supplied. This is called excess air for proper combustion. So let's see what are the advantages of supercharging the engine. To reduce mass of engine per brake hour and to reduce cost, to reduce space occupied by engine, to reduce consumption of lubricating oil, to increase power output of engine when great power is required, waste energy utilization in case of turbocharger. These are the advantages of supercharging an engine. Means to reduce mass of engine per brake hour, to reduce cost, to reduce space occupied by engine, to reduce consumption of lubricating oil, to reduce the to increase the power output of engine when great power is required, waste energy utilization in case of turbocharger. Then what are the methods of supercharging? Two methods are mainly saying mechanical turbocharging and mechanical supercharging. Mechanical supercharging means if a compressor is directly powered by engine or independently driven by motor. This is called as mechanical supercharging. Or turbocharging means turbocharger uses waste heat of exhaust gas to drive turbine, which in turn drives the compressor on the same shaft to supply pressurized air. Okay. Mechanical supercharging means if the compressor is directly powered by engine or independently driven by motor. This is classified as mechanical supercharging. Turbocharging or turbocharger uses waste heat of exhaust gas to drive a turbine, which in turn will drive compressor on the same shaft to supply pressurized air. This is what about supercharging and all. Thank you.